with Russia's supply chain being one of the most important targets to strike with a constant flow, as it disrupts all other sections of the Russian army, making them less effective and less motivated. With Ukraine's drone army working hard at this task, taking out one supply truck at a time, the slower moving, clumsy vehicles with no protection and flammable material have little way in defending themselves. Sometimes having code caches, electronic warfare, or soldiers trying to shoot down the drone. The protection, however, isn't that effective, resulting in a lot less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.